You're standing in Walmart staring at a $17.97 jug of SuperTech Full Synthetic next to a $34.98 jug of Mobil 1. Someone just told you they're the same oil in different bottles. Is that true? Is Walmart's house brand actually repackaged Mobil 1 that you're getting for half price? Or is that just internet myth? If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm exposing who actually manufactures SuperTech oil. And if the $17.01 savings is a smart move or a future engine repair, SuperTech motor oil is Walmart's house brand, sold exclusively at Walmart stores and online as a budget-friendly alternative. A 5-quart jug of SuperTech Full Synthetic costs around $18 to $21, while Mobil 1 costs $28 to $36 for the same quantity. The critical question is who manufactures SuperTech, because Walmart doesn't own oil refineries or blending facilities. SuperTech Full Synthetic is manufactured by Warren Distribution, a major private label oil manufacturer based in Iowa. Warren produces oil for multiple retailers, including Walmart's SuperTech, Costco's Kirkland Signature, and several auto parts store brands. Warren Distribution also has licensing agreements with ExxonMobil to produce certain Mobil-branded products. This means Warren's facilities are approved to blend and package some Mobil products alongside their private label oils. People noticed that SuperTech bottles sometimes have manufacturing codes that indicate the same facilities that produce Mobil products. They assumed this meant SuperTech and Mobil 1 were identical formulations. But that's not how contract manufacturing works. Warren's facilities can blend hundreds of different formulations depending on what the customer, Walmart or ExxonMobil, specifies. So is SuperTech the same as Mobil 1? No, they're different formulations produced to different specifications. Mobil 1 uses Group 4 POW synthetic base stock, which has superior thermal stability and cold flow properties. SuperTech Full Synthetic uses Group 3 hydrocracked base stock, which is refined petroleum heavily processed to improve properties. But it's fundamentally different chemistry from POW. It's legally allowed to be called synthetic in the United States after a 1999 court ruling. But it doesn't perform identically to Group 4 POW under extreme conditions. The base stock difference is real. Mobil 1 uses genuinely superior chemistry. SuperTech uses adequate chemistry that meets minimum synthetic standards but isn't premium. Second, additive packages. Mobil 1 uses proprietary additive packages developed by ExxonMobil's research division. These additives provide anti-wear protection, detergency, and oxidation inhibitors. Viscosity modifiers and friction reducers are included. The specific formulation is optimized through extensive testing and justifies Mobil 1's premium pricing. SuperTech uses generic or widely available additive packages formulated to meet a PI and ILS-AC specifications at minimum cost. The additives do their job. They meet industry standards, but they're not cutting-edge chemistry. They're cost-optimized to deliver acceptable performance at budget pricing. Third, quality control and testing. ExxonMobil subjects Mobil 1 to extensive quality control testing, including wear testing and oxidation stability testing. Cold cranking simulation and real-world fleet testing are performed. Batch-to-batch consistency is tightly controlled. SuperTech meets a PI certification requirements. This means it passes standardized industry tests. But the level of additional testing and quality control is lower than what premium brands do. Batch-to-batch variation might be slightly higher, though still within acceptable ranges. So the formulations are genuinely different. SuperTech is not Mobil 1 in a different bottle. It's a budget synthetic, formulated to meet minimum standards at lowest cost. Does that difference actually matter for your engine? The answer depends on how you drive and how long you keep your vehicle. If you're changing oil every 5,000 miles, driving normally, and selling at 80,000 miles, SuperTech Full Synthetic will protect your engine adequately. The Group 3 base stock and generic additives are sufficient for moderate use at conservative change intervals. Your engine will survive without problems. You'll save $10 to $15 per oil change. Over 10 oil changes, that's $100 to $150 saved. But if you're extending intervals, it becomes riskier. The Group 3 base stock oxidizes faster than Mobil 1's PAO under extended service. The additive package depletes more quickly. By 7,500 miles, SuperTech shows more degradation than Mobil 1. Oil analysis shows higher oxidation and elevated wear metals. If you're keeping your vehicle for 150,000 plus miles, Mobil One's superior chemistry provides measurably better protection over the long run. The extra cost is cheap insurance for engine longevity. For extreme conditions, towing, or turbocharged engines, Mobil One provides real advantages. SuperTech works adequately in moderate conditions, but it's not engineered for extreme stress. It meets all APISP and ILSACGF6 requirements. Now, let's address the claim that SuperTech is actually Mobil One. It's not. But they are produced at the same Warren distribution facilities. Think of it like a bakery that makes both store-brand bread and premium artisan bread. Same ovens, but different recipes and ingredients. That's the relationship between SuperTech and Mobil. SuperTech is a functional oil, but it's not equivalent to premium oil's superior base stocks. If you're on a tight budget and change oil every 5,000 miles, SuperTech is acceptable. You're saving money now for marginally less long-term protection. For the best of both worlds, consider Costco Kirkland's Signature. It's also manufactured by Warren and reported to use better base stocks at budget prices. The bottom line, SuperTech is adequate for frequent changes, but Mobil One justifies its price for severe service. Are you running SuperTech? Drop your experience and mileage in the comments. Hit that like button if this cleared things up, and don't forget to subscribe.